Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Look at it. It's so cool. Look at the jet boat.
Baby.
Put my fire on me.
Can I see your hair? What you doing? What are we doing today? And mommy's gonna shoot guns. What is it? Who is it for? Gun range day with the whole family.
Yeah, you're 18, I'm 19.
Okay, so listen. When we're inside, I need to keep your eyes on and keep your ears in, okay? If it's too loud, you say something and we'll bring you back out here, okay? All right, so you guys want to give me your hand? I'll walk you in. Everybody take each other's hand. Everybody grab a hand and make a little chain here. Here we go. All right.
So I take this time to give him praise, and I'm thanking him for it. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
How does it feel to...
Did you like it?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. Finally getting to shoot my ID right. Pay good money for it, so at least I, know how it feels. It feels nice.
actually need prescriptions.
You have so much fun?
Yeah.
Yes? Everybody had so much fun? Did you ladies? Did you ladies have so much fun at the range today?
Yes, this is my best time.
Was it scary?
No, at first, yes. I love it.
If you are part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.